The most wonderful part is this, the crispy skin. It's delicious. I just need to cut some shallots, chop them finely, and also chop some dill, and then I'm ready to arrange the food. The more you play, the more beautiful it gets. Peber. Some apple cider vinegar. Take a mild one. Fish and vinegar, especially fried fish and vinegar, is a well-known combination. Cold pressed rapeseed oil, especially with the green strawberries. This oil is wonderful. And now I just need the mustard seeds. In Denmark, we always eat herring with rye bread, such as this one from the old bakery in the village of Nyker. Kneaded by hand and cooked in a stone oven according to a 100-year-old family recipe. But you can eat it with whatever type of dark bread you can get hold of, or just eat it with aquavit. Grilled herring with green strawberries, mustard, dill, and cold-pressed rapeseed oil. Here you are. Hej Hans. Stegt sild med
lidt jordbær på.
Ja, og det koldpresset rapsol, det er så godt.
Det ser godt ud.
En tør øl.
Skål. Det er så godt med øl.
This is the rape. It's sown in August, and it's also harvested in August 1 year afterwards, so it has a longer growing period.
Den følelse, det er jo egentlig, det er jo sjovt. Kan jeg vide, hvad det kan blive til, ikke? Altså, hvad kan det bruges til? Hvad er det næste skridt, man nu skal, ikke? Nu skal du ud og snakke med nogen omkring brugen af det, ikke?
What Hans is explaining is the feeling he had when, for the first time, he succeeded in making a perfect cold-pressed rapeseed oil. The golden oil that ran through his fingers, and he tasted it and smelled its beautiful aroma and felt how soft it was on his hands, and he knew that he had made a product that he could bring the whole way from the ground and to the table in the private consumer's cuisine, and he was very proud, and he knew that it would change his life.
Skal måske dyrke nogle specielle grøntsager, vi kan blande i olien eller et eller andet, og så lave nogle andre varer, som er dyrket på Bornholm. Og man kan sige, at vi har det hele heroverfra, ikke?
His rapeseed oil adventure has completely changed his perspective. So now Hans's dream is to refine the oil further, and preferably in cooperation with fellow farmers on Bornholm. He has found the marketplace, and he want to give them the opportunity to get into contact with the market, and maybe they could produce vegetables or spices or herbs that could further refine the rapeseed oil. Cold-pressed rapeseed oil is one of the healthiest types of fat. The oil is filtered and free from additives, but with a high content of mono and polyunsaturated fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids help with, for instance, strengthening the eyesight and the cells in our bodies and help prevent blood clots. Normally, it is difficult for us to get our omega-3 fatty acids as part of our diet, and our bodies cannot produce them themselves.